In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to set the thrust ratings or N1 limit. Then also I'm gonna show you how to set the V speeds. And to complete this task, I need to use the thrust rating panel, or TRP for short, and the speed card, and the outside air temperature gauge. First, I read the outside air temperature from the OAT gauge. As you can see, the indicator shows 12 degrees centigrade. Using the outer rotary selector, I select temperature. Then I adjust my temperature, which is 12 degrees centigrade, using the inner knob and the small window. After we set this temperature, we enable FADEC to compute and set the takeoff thrust automatically. Then I select the V1 with the outer selector knob. Now, if you have no specific V1 speed, you can simply enter the same value as the VR in V1 window. Since I'm using 18 degrees flaps for my takeoff, using the speed card with 18 degrees flaps setting, VR is 134. As I said, if I consider V1 equal to VR, I put 134 in the window using the inner knob. Now I select VR using the outer rotary selector. Basically, you position the knob to V cross position. V cross represents VR. Then you cross check this value shown in the window with the VR value shown in the speed card. And finally, we select V dot again with the outer rotary selector. V dot is represented by VFTO in the speed card. Now let's have a quick look to our V speeds and N1 parameters to confirm that all is set correctly. With the outer rotary selector, I'll start from the left all the way to the last selection, which is V dot. Now I start with selecting N1 96.6, takeoff N1 limit. Above the engine indications shows 96.6 confirmed. V1 134, VR or V cross 134, V dot 184, and finally we pick up our V2 from the speed cards, which is 138, and put this in the IS Mach window. By giving this speed to the flight computer guidance, the autopilot will give us the correct pitch guidance during the takeoff phase. And this completes the thrust rating panel setup. From startup to shutdown, YouTube channel provides you the best tutorials on how to operate airplanes on flight simulator game. If you like this video, subscribe and share to support this channel.